Hello. Okay. Yeah. Beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Um, if you are live, kindly put up your name, location. It's been a while. I don't miss all these things. If you are live, kindly put up your location and your name and where you are joining us from. Okay. Your location, that's where you are joining us from, and your name. Let's begin. Let's begin. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. We have some interesting update for ourselves. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you smash the like button. Let's get started. I need to know the people that are currently here. So kindly drop your name and location. Your name and location, please. If you can hear me, let me see you drop your name and location. Let's get started. If you can hear me, kindly drop your name and location. Let's get started. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Kindly drop your name and location. Let's get started. Yeah, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Hello? Why am I not seeing the chat? Why am I not seeing the chat? I'm not seeing any chat. Let's see the chat. Let me refresh. Okay. Okay. Wow. There's a lot, tons of chats here that I've not been seeing. Okay. You welcome once again. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Okay. I'm seeing Brain at John Saliu. Say can't hear you. Can you hear me now? You know, Setumbina, good morning. William Mutetua, good morning from South Africa. Then Sobut, morning and good to be back. Sobut from Jos. I don't know if I'm back yet, Sha. It's you guys that will let me know if I should be back or I should still you still continue doing my thing. Okay. Innocent from Abuja. Um John Saliu from Nigeria. Nigeria, where in Nigeria? Muslim online also from Lagos. Musa Kedengs, where are you coming from, Mr. Ifeyin from Ibejuleki? Then Musa is from Abuja. So Sally, where are you from? So welcome guys, welcome guys. I miss you guys. I don't know if you guys actually miss me, but the truth of the matter is I miss you guys. And Fabrice from Cameroon. Yeah, you're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Actually, I don't know why is the internet so slow. The internet is okay from my hand. So what's going on? What's going on here? Hold on, guys. What's going on here? Yeah, beautiful. I guess our internet is. Can you guys hear my screen? Can you guys see my screen and can you guys hear me? I don't hide my face. I know they show my face. So yeah, welcome, 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 welcome. Zakaria Raji, good morning, boss. Your runaway student is back home. Abi, you're welcome back. So many runaway students that are on back this time around. Andy Walik, excellent morning. Musa Kedens is clear. Okay, fine. So guys, before we dive in further, I want to say congratulations to us for ghosting and then coming back with some amazing results. We've been having some back-to-back win in the last 1 month, or I should say the last 4 weeks. The result has been very, very awesome and great. We've been having back-to-back win, and I'm so happy that that is actually happening. It took me like 8 months from the beginning of this year that I've been ghosting you guys, and because I just need to do some background fixing and then master some stuffs that will make our result to be outstanding. And I'm so happy right now that the result is you see runaway student. I dey pity you guys. So I'm so happy and grateful to God right now that our result is awesome, 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 awesome. So there's a lot that was learnt in the past 8 months. There's a lot that was learnt in the past 8 months. It was not easy. A lot of money was spent. Lost lot of money was lost. Yeah, money was made too, but it was a tough time because I was not focusing on making money. I was focusing on mastering my skill, perfecting the skill, and making sure that result is just what I'm oriented about. Like I just want the result to keep coming, to keep coming, to keep coming. I don't really focus on making money. I am focusing on mastering the skill, mastering the knowledge, and then making a whole lot of money will be something that will just come naturally once you start having a back-to-back win. And you guys can see, if you've been following on the public channel, on the mentorship channel, on my status all the time, I make sure I post our wins. You see, we hardly add loss. We have loss, but very minimal loss, but plenty of wins that I can be boast and be confident and be proud to say in the public. Okay. So if you guys have any question for me before I talk about how the new development will favor every one of us now, you guys could put up your question for me right now. Okay, then before that, I want you to actually smash the like button. Smash the like button. Yeah. I did an analysis on a trade I usually call around 2:30 p.m. every day last week, upper week, and last week. I was calling a particular trade, which is NAS 100 or US 100 cash. I was calling the around 2:30. There's a certain movement that the market usually do, and after learning so long, I finally discovered this movement, and I have been calling it, and I realized that the upper week and the last week we call one trade per day, and that's about 10 days. That's 10 trading days for 2 weeks, and we had 8 wins and 1 break even and 1 loss. What an outstanding result out of 10 trade. How many win rate is that? Can somebody tell me how many win rate is that? Out of 10 trade, we had 8 wins, 1 break even and 1 loss. How many win rate is that? How many win rate is that? I want to hear you guys. I want to hear it from you guys. How many win rate is that, guys? Okay. Somebody say 80. Somebody say 85%. Two people said 85%. Anyways, guys, you know what? Look at the one we caught yesterday. Look at the one we caught yesterday. Very sharp. All I just need is 1 to 2, with 1 to 2 risks to reward. Risking $100 to make $200. Risking $1,000 to make $2,000. Risking $10,000 to make $20,000. So all I just need is 1 to 2. In fact, I don't need 1 to 3, and then it works like magic. Look at it. Just look at it. Upon this our entry here, and in just 2 minutes, 2 minutes, first 2 minutes candle, and then our TP was smashed. If we go back in time, on Friday, from right, was this okay? On Monday, Yeah, on Monday we had loss yesterday. Actually, I saw that the market wants to buy, but based on markets doing some crazy thing, you can see the way the market is doing. I changed my bias to sell, even though it later sold, but it failed the buy to this level before it is selling. So, which I'll just say that's one of those things that usually happen. But look at this. Look at this. Okay, I'm sure there's another trade right here that we took. You can see our entry here. Boom, sharp. This was on Friday, if I'm right. Yeah, this was on Friday. Let's look at on Thursday. On Thursday, okay, don't know. My You can see on Thursday another boom, sharp. This trade literally spent less than 10 minutes before hitting TP. Sometimes look at the one I show you, just 2 minutes, that's ATP. Some 3 minutes, some 5 minutes. Hardly will it get to 10 minutes. It was that one, the one I called yesterday, day before yesterday, which is on Monday, that took so long because of that consolidation that I can't even understand. This another one here. This another one here. You can see before the market will come back, we are out with our 1 to 2. You can see got our entry here. Boom. How many minutes does this take? 1 2 3 4 4 minutes. TP smash, just 4 minutes. So if I kept looking back, I don't know. If I kept looking back, I'm pretty sure I'm going to see those trade literally only took few minutes to smash TP. So it is going to be, it's very fast. Look at this entry here. This one actually took time. It took time. So, but not and both is that trade usually happen, that movement usually happen every day, and it's always fast is the right word to use. So if you are not paying attention, if you are not paying attention, at the same time, if you are not at the time that we are taking it, let's say you are not available with me on the channel around that 2:30 p.m., then you might miss out on the trade. Before you know it, the trade has played out and we are out of the market already. So one thing I've discovered, look at the trade we took yesterday. This particular trade we took yesterday, this one, it took only 2 minutes. No drawdown at all. No drawdown at all. Because immediately I got my entry right here, you can see the market just went straight up to TP. And any little retracement, it went back to SL. So it is better we just get out on time here. So just imagine I call this before I screenshot it, before I put it into channel for you guys to see it, and before myself enter my own trade, and this thing actually is running massively. All these things happen within just 2 minutes. So one of those reasons why I'm doing this live session today is that if you are in the signal channel and you want to be cashing the trade with me every day, just know that not all the time I will be posting buy now sell now. That is why yesterday I did a live session. On Monday too, I did a live session. So the live session, the purpose of that live session is that while the market is moving live, you will see the way I will get my entry. Immediately you see me put the buy or the sell, what's it called? Is it tools? Is it the buy tool or the sell tool? This. If you see me do this, just know that it's a buy, because this is a risk to reward buy tool. If you see me do this, just know that it's a sell, because this is a risk to reward sell. This here is indicating stop loss. This here is indicating stop loss. So anytime you see me put this, just know that the green, If the green is up, it means that it's a buy. If the green is down, it means that it's a sell. Do you understand, guys? So this is one of those things I want you guys to know. This is one of those things I want you guys to know. Do you understand? So this is a buy and this is a sell. So you need to always join me at the live session. This is one of the most important reasons why I'm doing this live session this morning. You say, please place a trade live now. Let's see. I can't place a trade right now because that market usually happen at a specified time, which is 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is the open of New York session indices. Okay, so if I put up a live trade right now, does not guarantee that we are going to have a win, because the movement that I'm anticipating is not the time for the movement to happen. Okay, so that's why I cannot place a live trade right now. But if I look at the markets, if I see an opportunity, of course, definitely I will call it out. That one there, I do it even before now. So as I was saying, I just need you guys to understand that trade that we usually cut at that 2:30 p.m. every day, it requires you to be smart and fast. You know why? Because that market usually happens so fast. So once it is around maybe 5 minutes to 2:30 or 10 minutes to 2:30, I can just start a live streaming on Telegram, which is our Signal channel. If you are not in the Signal channel, you will have access to this. So that's why you need to be in the Signal channel. And to be in the Signal channel, you guys all know it. You need to fund your XM broker. Importantly, your XM broker, that's the most, that's my new recommendation. For now, I don't even, of course, you can trade Prop Firm. If you want to trade Prop Firm, I have two Prop Firm that I can recommend for you. I have Willis Capital, I have Crypto Fund Trader. So but for me, for now, I'm not recommending you guys to trade Prop Firm, because Prop Firm sometimes their rules are too just. But when you have with $50, with $100, you can be able to make some reasonable profit for yourself. If the result is going to be consistent, then you can grow your account. Trust me, you can grow your account with $100. You can grow your account to something reasonable. Trust me, you can grow your account to something reasonable with $100. So but if you still want to trade Prop Firm, it's fine. Just make sure the Prop Firm you are going to be trading is going to be my recommended Prop Firm, either Willis Capital or Crypto Fund Trader. And any of these Prop Firm, the minimum account you can buy is $25,000 account. If you buy $10,000, if you buy $5,000 account, I will not give you access to the Signal channel, because that's not the requirement. The requirement is $25,000 Prop Firm account. But if you have $100 on your XM account, the one that I have confirmed for you, then you can come into the Signal channel and let's trade with our real money. Okay, so this is how to be part of the XM, the Signal channel. And another thing is that once it is 5 to 10 minutes before the 2:30 p.m. every day, I will have opened the live stream. So while I open the live stream, you will be seeing my screen. So you'll be seeing how I am waiting for the market to open. So immediately I see what I'm looking for, I'll place either the buy or the sell. Even before I type buy now or sell now, I want to enter my own trade too, because time is fast going. So before I say I want to type buy US 100 cash right now or sell US 100 cash now, market is already moving. So therefore I will enter my own trade first. So but because I want to be just and be fair with you guys, that is why I introduced that live streaming. Because by the time I'm entering my own trade, before I post it to you guys, it might have moved in profit. So I don't need to be doing that. I can still do that maybe even after the market has gone up, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that immediately you see me put the the buy tools or the sell tools, you already know, you that you are watching, that you are live with me, that this market is a buy, this market is a sell, and then you can enter it immediately on your home broker too. So while I'm entering my own to on my own broker, if you are going to be waiting for me to type it to the signal channel, then that might delay a little, because I will have to enter my entry, my own entry on my own broker. After I got my entry right, before I will now say I want to go and start typing, because that typing, the market will not wait. I don't know if anybody is understanding my point right here. Brain Hack John Saliu, give me the link to XM. Don't worry, just chat me on Telegram. I will send you the link and every other thing that you need to join us. I want to use an example so I can be in the signal channel. Say it's fine, it's fine. So this is all you need to understand. Once you understand all these things right now, trust me, 2:30 p.m. every day, we are going to just be killing it, and we can build massive success from that, you know. Any question before we move on? Any question? Any question, ladies and gentlemen, before we move on? I've missed a lot of people here. I've missed you know, I've missed Zakaria Raji, of course. I've missed Suraj Dauda. I've missed Musa too. I've missed William Mutetwa. I've met Innocent Obinna, Fidelis, Infidelis. A lot of people have missed, but you know, you guys, you should understand that going off the way I went off, it's a whole lot of assignment on my part. So I'm not teaching the strategy. I'm not ready for that. You guys are not even ready for that too. So I have a question. At around 2:30, when we want to enter the trade, what time do we have to calculate our lot to use? Okay, that's a beautiful question. I'll answer that, Musa. No need to type it to the signal channel. The live green and purple is a signal already. Yes, of course. But you know, I've seen some people said they cannot access the live stream. They want me to type it to the signal channel. This is why I'm doing all this, so that they will know, so that they won't say the trade has started running before they get the signal. That's why I introduced the live. So if you are the one that, if you are the type that you don't, you have to wait for me to type it to the signal channel before you enter your trade, then just know that there might be a delay. There might be a delay. So the market might have started moving in profit. Just look at that of that yesterday. It only took 2 minutes for TP to hit. 2 minutes, 2 candles, and you saw it. So imagine still typing while the other candle is already moving in profit. So, and before, if you say you want to wait more inside that trade, you can see the way the market just went down straight up after giving us that TP. It just went down straight up. So you might, anybody that enter late and still want to hold the trade will probably lose money yesterday. Do you understand? So I didn't say I will not type. I will always type, but there might be a delay in the typing. But the people that will get it immediately I saw the entry are the people that are going to be live with me. So now, based on the question of Musa, he said at around 2:30 we want to enter the trade. What time do we have to calculate our lot to use? Now, this is it. It depends on you. Let's say on your $100 account you want to risk $10 to make $20, like 1 to 2, or sometimes you might not even get 1 to 2. I will just tell you to close based on what I see the candle doing. Okay, so if you want to risk $10, it is very, if you are using MT5, if you are using MT5, this is very, very easy to do. Once you know that you are going to buy, okay, you can enter with the minimum lot, which is 0.0.10. That's the minimum lot on XM for US 100 cash. or US 100 September 24, anyone, you can use 0.10. That's the minimum lot. Immediately you enter buy, you drag the buy SL, you drag this SL. I think I've done this video too in the signal channel before. So you know, when you enter your buy, before you start putting your parameters on the chart, I'm not talking on the, I'm talking about the chart where we have charts on your MT5. So you know, you can actually enter your buy position from that button at the top, that buy and sell. Just let's imagine you just tap buy with 0.10. Immediately you tap buy, you can tap on it and drag your SL to where your TP to where your SL is supposed to be. When you drag your SL to where it's supposed to be, you will see that that SL will tell you how much you are risking. Let's say when you enter that first position, you now drag your SL back to, you drag your SL to where it's supposed to be, and it's showing you that you are risking $5, and your mind is to, your intention is to risk $10. You just enter another one again immediately. So you have to be fast at that time. So you enter another one immediately. So after you have entered both entries, you now know that at least you have you are now within your risk. Then you now adjust your SL and you adjust your TP, and you just wait for the market to smash your TP and then get out. Does this make sense, Musa? Does it make sense to anybody listening to it right now? Because that's what I do too. Because that market, the way it moves very fast, it doesn't give us enough time to be doing all this makeup and, you know, decorations. It doesn't give us that. You just have to be fast at that time. So immediately the market is doing that, you quickly enter your position. You already know what you want to enter, you already know what you want to risk. Immediately you get it either to buy or to sell, just tap buy or sell. You know, if you're at the time that is risking like $50, you want to risk a $50 on that trade, you already know that 0.1, you should be around your risk, your SL, the XL is always around 5 to 10 dollars. The XL is always around $5 to $10 on 0.1, and you want to reach $50. So there's nothing that says you should not enter 0.50 at a go, or 0.50 at a go, or 0.40. So once you enter 0.40 or 0.50, you drag your SL. Maybe at that time you will realize that you are risking like $30 or $40. You know that you need to enter one more position again, sharp. You immediately you enter one more position, you know that it has balance. So now you know that on that trade you are risking something little around $50 or thereabout, and before you know it, you just add, you know, you modify your SL and you modify your TP, and you wait for the TP to be smashed. Sometime yesterday, for instance, I have not entered my SL and TP finish before the market has already hit TP. I just close, because the market was so fast. While I'm still trying to adjust my SL and adjust my TP, the market has already reached the TP point. While looking at the screen of my laptop, I just close immediately because I know the TP has been hit. So things like that too can happen. So but just know what you are risking on a trade. Just know what you are risking on a trade. The same question has been answered. Good, since you understand me. So do you have any other question? Do we 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 have any other question? There's a buy signal. This is sell signal. This is a buy signal and this is a sell signal. Another question about the strategy. I've watched your videos in regard to the strategy, but I still have problem identifying the liquidity sweep for over a month now. What am I missing, sir? I was talking about the strategy, sir. Okay. The video I made regarding the sweep of liquidity, break of structure, POI, sweep of liquidity is very, very obvious. Like, it's an obvious thing. How do you identify sweep of liquidity? Okay, I'm seeing one right now. Let me just use this as an example for you. This is it. We have market close right here. Let me see if I have another example that is reasonable. Okay, sweep of liquidity is always something like this. Okay, look at when we have, look at here, the market will sweep, it will sweep that eye and then wick away from there. You see it's wick, you see wicks. You understand what we call wick? Look at here right now. This market come here to sweep this eye. So I'll give it this market come here to sweep this eye. You can see sweep this eye and you can see it reject. You can see the weak rejection. If this market if we want to say it is a break of structure, then this market should close higher, but it weaks. And then you can see that after taking out this eye, which is the liquidity grab, you can see that the market just drastically start moving down. So another one, another very good example of sweep of liquidity is this. Sorry, the other time. This is it. You can see the market came to take out this eye, then wick back down. You know that the purpose for this market, the purpose is for you to just come and take out this eye. Maybe some stop loss are here already. Just want to take out this eye, grab those liquidity, and then it will sell. So you can see immediately this liquidity was grabbed here. Look at it, the market sold. So we'll start seeing different types of liquidity. How the market usually grab liquidity, and then so it's different from break of structure, because break of structure, the market will close above that level. This is another very perfect sweep of liquidity. We have different types of equal low here. You can see we have equal low, but this market just came, this sell candle came down here, sweep all this place. Immediately you sweep it, you can see it wick back up, and after that wick back up, do you see the candle going up? It started going up ever since then. I think I saw another one here. So let me know if you understand my analysis about the sweep of liquidity. See another one here. So immediately you see a high being taken out or a low being taken out, and ended up with wicks. Look at it. It's another wick. It took out this eye, and immediately it took out this eye. You can see it took out this eye with a weak rejection. It tried to go up again, it came back with a weak rejection. Ever since then, you can see how the market just keeps selling until you get to this other block here. Do you understand? With this explanation, do you understand what the concept of sweep of liquidity mean? Liquidity sweep, do you understand right now? Do you understand, Musa Kedens? Are we going to resume our top-down analysis? For now, I can't say yes, neither can I say no. It depends as the spirit leads me. If I see enough energy from you guys, I can be doing what's it called? Live session back. I can be doing all these things back. But can be doing what's it? So I can be doing the live session back. Meanwhile, the live session is always around the morning time. I fix something to be doing around my morning time. What I'm doing with you guys right now, anytime from now before 10 a.m., I have to make sure I end this live because I have something that I have to use this time to do. So if I'm not doing like yesterday, I'm not doing live session with you guys. I am either still on the bed by this time, I'm still sleeping because I know my trade is around the afternoon. Or anytime I wake up, I can go into the market. If I see an opportunity, I will give it to you guys. And the 2:30 p.m. trade is always in the afternoon, so I have my time. So this time yesterday, I think I'm still on the bed, though with my phone monitoring the chart, but I'm still on the bed. So with that, if I'm not going to now be like I want to leave the bed and start coming to the system to do a live session, I have to be very very sure that a tons of people, dozens and dozens and dozens of people are waiting to have a live session with me. Then that will be an energy that will keep me to come and do this for you guys, but not with the way we are right now. We are ranging around 11 people to 8 people right now on this live. So this is not enough energy for me to say I want to do live session tomorrow. Do you understand? So if I'm seeing like 50 to 100 people, that will actually ginger me. Okay, that's a reasonable number to start with. But for now, guys, I've been giving you guys value upon value upon value upon value, but I'm not getting enough energy the way I need enough energy. I need a huge energy to keep me going for that, to be doing that value giving. If not, I'll just stay back and I'll make my money and then call signals for you guys. That won't make it easy for me because the same trade I'm taking, I'll just send it. But how I do the whole thing, I need huge energy. And I'm even thinking of how I'm going to monetize the whole thing for you guys because I guess people pay for the value what they pay for than what they get for free. So I'm getting to my own days of done with free values that I'm going to start monetizing stuff for you guys. But the people that are with me now, congratulations. So because even if I'm going to monetize everything, some people that are with me are going to have access to some things that um the new people will actually pay to have access to. Mostly all my teachings are here on YouTube. So I didn't hide it, but you might not know it unless I figure I print point it out for you. You might not know it, but I didn't hide it. So if I decide to start monetizing my stuff right now, I will just start hiding those quality training videos, and then I'll just make sure that you guys pay before you have access to it. So that's that. When I get enough energy, I will now know if I should be doing live session with you guys back or not. But for now, I just want to focus on making money. For the past 8 months, 8 good months, I've not focused on making money. I've been focusing on learning. Do you know how many courses I bought? Do you know how many mentorship I took? Do you know how many money I lost? So all those things I need to be. So as we are saying, let me read POI identification. There's nothing to POI is just order block or breaker block. There's nothing serious about POI. God bless. We appreciate you. Are you Telegram live record? Are your Telegram live recorded, sir? No, I'm not recording it. What I'm asking is because I want to rejoin. I would like to watch those videos for knowledge sake. I'm not recording it. It's an intentional. I don't want to record it because I'm not ready. I'm not ready to teach for now. I'm not ready. But I'm ready to teach. I think I'm going to have a good price tag on it. Link to XM broker. Don't worry, just message me on Telegram. You have access to it. God will replenish back what you have spent. Of course, I know. I want to be like you, but sleeping with peace of mind. Yay! God will help every one of us to have peace of mind. So that's that about that, guys. If we have nothing, if we are done, okay, we can call it a day from here. As a matter of fact, I can go and use my time for other things and then prepare for what the market is going to present to us today. So prepare for what the market is going to present to us today. POI is very, very simple. In as much as you know how to identify order block. So look at this. Look at where this market respects. If you look at it right now, you see I put something here, 5-minute OB. Let me extend it out. So if you see my screen clearly, I'm intentionally doing this. You see that I have 5-minute OB written on this. So this is what they call POI. So when the market goes to that 5-minute OB, what happened? The market bounced away from it, came back to retest it, and then boom to the upside. How do I identify it? I get it from 5 minutes. No, this is not it. Okay, I think this is it. This is it. You can see. This is the last sell candle before this massive move to the upside. So this is a clear order block. This is the last sell candle. That's that black candle in between those blue candles. This is the last sell candle before that massive move. That's a clear order block. So once I get this like this, I know that this an order block. Market will likely react from it. So when I go to 1 minute time frame, so this is 1 minute time frame. This is what it looks like on 1 minute, but I've identified it on 5 minutes. So you can see immediately the market get there the first time, it bounce from it, retest it, and then look at it, boom. Just imagine you have your order right here, and then you have your stop loss a little bit below, and then you set your target to 1 to 2. Look at it. So immediately the market got here, immediately the market got here, it did like this, come back, retest the entry, and then boom, it hit your TP. Even I'm sure this market will get to 1 to 3. You can see it get to 1 to 3 before it started coming back down. It get to 1 to 4. It got to 1 to 4. But you don't need all these long ones, because market might just anything the market just give you are good. I've seen people, guys, this is one of those things that's changed my mindset and my psychology. Let me quickly give you guys that hint. Are you guys with me? Do you want to hear the hints? If you want to hear the hints, let me see you put it in the chat box. I should give you the hints that help me to change my psychology. let me see you guys put it on the chat box that you want to hear the hint that helped me to change my psychology. If I see like 4 people say that, I'm going to say 4 to 5 people say that they want to hear the hint that helped me to change my psychology. I will definitely say it. Just need 4 to 5 people to say that. I've seen one person, Kardashian revamp. I've seen one person say that. I need like 3 to 4 people to say it again. 3 to 4 people. 3 to 4 people. If not, I'll just move on from it. So as you are saying, so that is that about that, guys. There's a lot of things that I've learned from the past 1 to 8 months since the beginning of this year that I've been inactive, learning and learning, going off and on, going off and on. It was because I was seriously, working on myself, working seriously on myself. So, and I thank God the result is just you guys just want to start experiencing what the result will look like. So okay, I think I've seen 4 people say that I should give them the hint. Okay, this is the hint, guys. This is the hint. I have seen people who all they do is target 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. You are risking $10 to make $10. Do you understand? Risking one to, in fact, don't let me take it from there. Okay, let me do it like this. You guys should just take it. This will be the last thing I'm going to let me just use this to round up all this our live session. It's about 1 hour now. Now, I've seen people that with 1 to 10, 1 to 20 risk to reward, they are still not profitable, consistently profitable. Let me put it that way. They are not still consistently profitable. They will have a trade that we eat that their risk to reward is 1 to 20. I've learned how to do that too, but it is not consistent. So I've seen people that are always going for 1 to 20 risks to reward and they are not profitable, and some are profitable. I've seen people that are doing 1 to 10, that some are profitable, some are not profitable. I've seen people that are doing 1 to 5 risk to reward on any trade they want to enter. I've seen people that are profitable. I've seen the ones that are not profitable with their 1 to 5 every time. I've seen people that are doing 1 to 3. 1 to 3, any trade they have to enter like this, it must be minimum of 1 to 3 risk to reward. I've seen people that are profitable with it. I've seen people that are not close to profitable with it. I've seen people that are stick to 1 to 2 risk to reward. I've seen a lot of people that are very, very profitable with 1 to 2 risk to reward. I've seen people that are stick to 1 to 1 risk to reward. I've seen a huge consistent profitability doing 1 to 1. In fact, do you know the funniest thing? I've seen people that have done, they will risk $10 to make $8 or $5. That is less than 1 to 1. Let's say, for instance, their stop loss is 20 pips and they are just there to cash 10 pips or 15 pips and they are out. I've seen people with this method and they are madly profitable, madly, crazily profitable. So you will from all this experience that I'm getting, you will understand that being profitable, consistently profitable, is not from risk to reward. I think it's from individual. It's from you working on yourself. It's from you getting the skills right. It's from you knowing what you want and getting what you want. So right now, you might not see me start flaunting 1 to 5 risk to reward, 1 to 10. Even when the trade is telling me it is 1 to 8 risk to reward, I'll just stick to 1 to 2, because with that, I've entered the trade, I'm out. I'm looking for another setup. In fact, as a matter of fact, 1 to 2 trade in a day is okay. With that, you can build massive fortune. Massive fortune. So it's not about 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3. As a matter of fact, me, I'm confident and comfortable to take 1 to 2 or sometimes less than 1 to 2. I am always very confident when I see that my trade is going to give me 1 to 2. I'm very, very happy to take that trade. If I see that the trade is going to give me 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 1.8 or 1 to 1.7, less than 1 to 2, I'll be very, very comfortable to take that trade and get out immediately after my 1 to whatever is it. So, being consistently profitable is not about the risk to reward. It's about the mindset, it's about the skill set, it's about your long time goal, your trading plan, your risk management, and all of those things. So for me, you hardly see me do 1 to 3 these days. You hardly see me do 1 to 3. If I do 1 to 3, maybe because I just want to give you guys some good risk to reward trade. But for me, 1 to 2, I'm out. Max 1 to 2, I'm out. And it gives me so much comfortability and peace of mind that sharp I've entered my trade and I'm out of the trade, and I've saved myself a lot of headache that the market is retracing, it's still coming back, it's still no. Once the trade wants to go for profit for us, it goes immediately and then hits 1 to 2 and then I'm out. So that is the end. That is the end that has helped my psychology, that I don't need to be looking for 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 20. As a matter of fact, I've done an analysis before that gave me 1 to 23 risks to reward. Like risking $1,000 to make $23,000. So I've seen it play out, get to a midpoint, a reverse. I analyze again, I got another 1 to 15 risks to reward. So that means in 1 to 23, a trade is running currently. Upon the retracement, I analyze it again, I got another entry for the continuation of that trade, and the market continue on that trade. I got another 1 to 15. So if everything hits TP, 1 to 23 and 1 to 15, do you know how many risk to reward rate ratio is that? So 23 plus 15, that will be 38 if I'm correct. So almost 1 to 40 on one trade. And guess what? Is it consistent? No. Can I always get it like that every day? No. So because I cannot always get it like that every day, I need a system that will be consistent, that will resolute with my type of person. So 1 to 2 is okay. That psychology has helped me to be profitable. Look at the trade we caught yesterday. Imagine if I'm aiming for 1 to 3 yesterday, the trade will have hit us out in stop loss, because immediately after the 1 to 2 was hit, boom, the trade started coming back down and it hit LCL before it started going back up again. So imagine the kind of frustration it will have give anyone that is targeting 1 to 3 in that trade. So that is the hint I just gave you guys for free. So that will be the end of today's live session. So do you have any other question? Let me quickly give us 2 minutes. If anybody have any question, answer it quickly. If there's no question, I call it a day. So that's that about that. Thank you. 1 minute to go. Any question? Do you understand the explanation I gave you? Any question? Any question? Any question? If no question within these few seconds, I might end the call. Okay. Okay. So no question. It's fine. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to have live session tomorrow, but at least we're going to be active tomorrow by God's grace. So bye bye from here, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.